This is my drawing of the wizard cookie from Cookie Run Kingdom, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the hat brim. We're going to start over on the left side, start with a curve coming down and in, and then we're going to draw a long curve going up towards the right. So we're going to round this out, go across, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side. It's going to round out the end, and then come down. Let's trace this curve along the top. So we have a thick edge with a hat brim, and I'm just going to round out the end. Let's draw a cone shape along the top of the hat. We're going to start over on the left side. Just going to angle this up slightly towards the top of the cone, and then come down towards the right side. Now I'm going to add a trim across the bottom. So starting on the left, draw a straight line going up to right about here. Let's add a couple points. Coming down and then up. Add another point. And then come down towards the side. Inside this trim area, we're going to add that waffle texture. Starting from the top, come down toward the left. I'm just going to add two more going across. Now I want to go in the opposite direction. So we're going to cross those lines coming in the opposite direction. Let's add another trim across the top. Starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Go back to the left side, we're going to go up and then out. There's 3 stars along the top of our cone. So we're going to start with one just pushed over towards the side. So start by coming in, add that point across the top. Now it's going to work our way across towards the bottom, just adding these points, and then out towards the side. Let's add another small one, but pushed out towards the right side. So come down, let's add 2 points along the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a full star on the bottom right. Now with the hat complete, let's move down and draw on the hair. We're going to start by lining up this angled line underneath the hat brim, coming down, bend that up. Let's add a small drip. And then another one going all the way up towards the top. Now underneath the hair and the hat brim, we're going to draw a circle going all the way around, then up, and you want to trace that along the inside. Let's move over towards the right, add another drip coming down and up, come down lower, go all the way around and up underneath the brim. Let's add a trim starting from the left side, going down underneath the eye and then back up. Now it's going to round out the scarf. Starting from the left side, come around and then in. Let's add 2 long drips. Start with the first one, coming down and then up. We're going to come down a little bit lower and then back up towards the top. Now I want to continue this curve, going all the way around towards the right, and then just tuck that in towards the side of the hair. Now going back over to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down, go up, down, and then up. Let's trace this back. So we're going to taper this coming up and then down towards the bottom of the body. And I'm just going to curve this across and then up. Let's angle this up towards the arm. And add a couple drips across the bottom of the arm. Start with the first one, coming down and up. Now the next one, we're going to come down, go all the way around the sleeve, and then up toward the top of the arm, and pull this straight in. Let's add a little trim, starting up here, curving this down, hook this up, coming down. I just want to trace this along the inside. Let's go back over toward the center of the body. We're going to add a drip, coming down, pull that back up towards a point. Let's go back over towards the sleeve, step down, add a half circle for the hand. Now in behind the hand, we're going to add that staff. Starting up here, draw a straight angle line going up towards the top. Let's continue that line coming down to line up with the bottom of the body. Just going to round this out and pull this straight up underneath the hand. Now we want to continue above the hand. We're just going to pull this in, out, and go straight up. Over on the left side of the staff, we're going to add a bump, going out and then back in, just curl this around, and then up, round up the staff, come down, and then curl that up towards the right. Now it's going to round up the end, and just pull that back in towards the staff. In behind the staff along the top, we're going to draw a large circle. So we're going to start on the left side, going all the way around towards the top, and then pull that back in. On the left and right along the top, we're going to draw 2 triangles coming in. We're going to add the edge going out, down, and then in. Let's go to the top left side. We're going to draw an oval for a highlight. And then we're going to add 3 thick stripes going across. So let's start from the top, coming down in behind that highlight. Continue down. Let's add another one. And then one more across the bottom. I just want to add some thickness to those stripes. And I'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the wizard Cookie from Cookie Run Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.